Are you ready to turn your passion into a profitable venture? Have you ever dreamed of being the mastermind behind a small manufacturing business that satisfies your creative urges and fills your bank account? If these questions have ignited a spark of curiosity in you, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll explore 20 small business manufacturing ideas that have the potential to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey and lead you down the path of self-made success. Before we hit the road running, kindly like, comment, and subscribe to the New Africa Wealth for more informative videos. Jewelry making offers a delightful avenue for creative entrepreneurship. It's a realm where raw materials like precious metals, gemstones, and beads transform into exquisite adornments, each piece reflecting the artisan's unique vision. What sets this venture apart is the boundless scope for customization and personalization. Entrepreneurs can cater to diverse tastes, crafting bespoke jewelry that resonates with customers on a personal level. The world of jewelry making allows artisans to infuse their artistic flair into wearable art, including elegant necklaces, intricate bracelets, or statement rings. This business thrives on craftsmanship, attention to detail, and the ability to interpret individual styles and desires, making it not just a profitable venture, but a fulfilling creative journey for aspiring entrepreneurs. Pet toys are a very potential business prospect that can be started without requiring a big upfront investment. The appeal of this company idea rests in its ability to unite artistic flair and a love of animals with sound commercial principles. You can enter a booming market by using your creativity and love for animals to create a wide variety of toys that are specially made to amuse and engage our cherished canine and feline companions. The potential for innovation in this market is limitless, whether it's noisy toys that inspire infinite fun in dogs or interactive puzzles that excite a cat's curiosity. It is a good time to enter this sector because the pet industry is also expanding as more individuals bring pets into their homes. To reach a larger group of pet lovers, you can either use internet platforms or well-known pet retailers to distribute your products. Making soap offers a fantastic possibility for entrepreneurs due to its accessibility, even with a small initial expenditure. The versatility of this business is what makes it so attractive because it lets you explore a variety of opportunities within the soap-making industry. The possibilities are endless, from creating opulent hand soaps that radiate scent and elegance to creating nourishing body soaps that accommodate various skin types. Additionally, specialized soaps provide your products with a distinctive edge by letting you experiment with specific markets and standout ingredients like goat's milk, honey, or even herbal infusions. In addition to its creative qualities, the soap-making business is in line with the rising consumer desire for environmentally friendly and natural products, allowing you to profit from this trend. When it comes to printing t-shirts, it's an exciting and creative business that doesn't require a huge initial investment. You get to turn plain old shirts into personalized works of art, which is pretty cool. You can make custom designs for individuals looking to express their unique style or offer printing services for events, teams, or businesses, making it super versatile. With today's technology, you can create intricate and eye-catching designs that stand out on the fabric. Starting a cleaning products business is like stepping into a world of fresh scents and sparkling surfaces. It's a business you can kick off without breaking the bank, and it's not just about selling products. It's about making homes and workplaces cleaner and safer. You can get creative with eco-friendly and natural ingredients, meeting the growing demand for healthier cleaning solutions. Plus, you'll have the chance to develop your unique line of cleaning products, making chores a little less tedious for people while contributing to a cleaner planet. Creating personalized gift items is such a heartwarming and rewarding business. You get to craft meaningful, one-of-a-kind treasures that make people smile. Whether it's customized mugs with special messages, personalized keychains with memories attached, or beautifully framed photo prints that capture cherished moments, you're in the business of turning ordinary items into cherished keepsakes. It's all about adding that personal touch that brings joy to both the giver and the recipient. Without a doubt, producing candles is a tremendously inventive and maybe successful business enterprise that doesn't demand a significant upfront expenditure. It's a hands-on enterprise where you get to create exquisite, enticing candles. There is something incredibly rewarding about the process, whether you're creating ornamental candles to lend a touch of beauty to special occasions or creating fragrant candles that fill homes with lovely fragrances. Who wouldn't also find it appealing to help others unwind and create a cozy environment? It's more than simply a business. It's a means for you to bring warmth and peace into people's homes with your original works. The pursuit of establishing a homemade food products enterprise is an endeavor characterized by its accessibility and the potential for culinary enthusiasts to translate their passion into a viable business endeavor. It represents an entrepreneurial avenue that does not necessitate a substantial initial financial outlay, rendering it particularly appealing to those with culinary aptitude. Within this domain, one is granted the latitude to craft a diverse range of consumables, spanning from delectable jams to savory sauces and artisanal baked goods. Each product encapsulates the creator's distinctive flavor profiles and culinary affection, allowing the consumer to partake in an authentic gastronomic experience. Customized foam cases offer an exciting business opportunity that's all about adding a personal touch. Imagine being able to craft and sell foam cases that resonate with people's unique tastes and preferences. It's about safeguarding their cherished devices while letting their personalities shine through. You can either design exclusive patterns or provide customization choices, making each case one of a kind. Be it vibrant artwork, cherished family snapshots, or meaningful quotes, these cases become an integral part of someone's daily life. More than just a product, it's a way for people to express themselves through their smartphones. Making things by hand is a highly rewarding and human pastime. It's about expressing your imagination and making unique, exceptional products that others adore. Whether you create warm home accents, distinctive accessories, or thoughtful presents, each item reflects your unique style and passion. It's more than simply a business. It's a method to get in touch with people who value handcrafted goods. Additionally, it's comforting to know that everything you produce is crafted with care and a personal touch in an age of mass production. Opening a woodworking shop offers access to a world of artistry, innovation, and usefulness. You may turn unfinished wood into beautiful and useful objects that can adorn houses and work as necessary equipment thanks to this business enterprise. You can start your trip with simply a modest workshop and some basic tools. The art of woodworking especially combines tradition and creativity. It is a craft that has endured the test of time while consistently changing to fit contemporary needs. Every item you make reflects your enthusiasm and expertise, whether you choose to make kitchen utensils, adorable wooden toys, or custom furniture. "3D printing, it's like magic brought to life. Imagine being able to create real, tangible objects from your wildest dreams just by feeding a computer a digital blueprint. It's not just about technology, it's about unlocking creativity. You can start with an idea in the morning and hold a physical representation of it in your hand by evening. It's a bit like playing with Legos, but on a whole new level. This is a cutting-edge technique that may be utilized to produce a wide range of goods, including jewelry, sculptures, and prototypes. Starting a 3D business just requires a little outlay for supplies and equipment. A fascinating route in the world of entrepreneurship is producing and marketing natural bath and body products. In this booming business, the appeal is in creating opulent and energizing mixtures that pamper the body while abiding by wellness and ecological principles. To create items like bath bombs, body scrubs, and lotions, makers of bath and body products master the technique of blending essential oils, herbs, and organic materials. The increased customer need for solutions that prioritizes holistic well-being in addition to cleansing and moisturizing sets this market distinct. Paper products provide both craftspeople and business owners with a flexible canvas. The production and marketing of handmade paper goods, which include things like journals, cards, and stationery, stand out in this field as a blend of innovation and sustainability. These handcrafted wonders go beyond simple stationery. They are doors to connection and individual expression. They require careful material selection, with a focus on using recycled materials or sustainably sourced paper to make them. Making and marketing your sauces, seasonings, and spice mixes provides a special chance to express your culinary ingenuity while also appeasing the palates of discerning food lovers. These expertly crafted culinary masterpieces might range from savory sauces that elevate common foods to scrumptious spice combinations that add a flavorful kick to every meal. The appeal of the business is found not only in its capacity for culinary innovation, but also in its adaptability in terms of marketing and sales. Entering the field of fabric accessories offers endless creative opportunities and business prospects. Among these, headbands stand out as a style item that are presently in high demand. Headbands have become a popular accessory for people of all ages because of its adaptability and capacity to instantly give a touch of elegance to any ensemble. In addition to headbands, scrunchies are a fashionable and nostalgic alternative that is once again decorating the hair of fashion-forward people and giving haircuts a whimsical edge. Fabric handbags also present yet another opportunity for innovation and business expansion. These handcrafted bags can be customized to suit a wide range of customer preferences in terms of size, shape, and style. Bamboo products represent a sustainable and eco-friendly revolution in the world of consumer goods. Bamboo's remarkable qualities, including its rapid growth, renewability, and strength, make it an ideal material for a wide range of products. From toothbrushes to utensils and cutting boards, bamboo offers a natural and biodegradable alternative to traditional plastic and wood products. The ever-present demand for customized garment alterations fuels the viability of the classic small business manufacturing concept of tailoring and alterations. This line of work comprises the expert craftsmanship of trained tailors who offer adjustments, fixes, and fittings to guarantee that clothing fits precisely. By opening a tailoring business, business owners can reach a local market of people looking for custom wardrobe solutions, such as resizing a wedding gown, hemming a pair of pants, or altering a suit to fit perfectly. Sustainable packaging is an innovative concept for a small manufacturing company that supports the global environmental movement. This environmentally conscious endeavor entails developing packaging solutions that reduce waste, have a minimal negative impact on the environment, and frequently use recyclable or biodegradable materials. Businesses of all sizes are increasingly in need of eco-friendly packaging as customer knowledge of environmental issues rises. Entrepreneurs who entered this sector have the chance to serve environmentally concerned brands that want to lessen their carbon footprint and entice environmentally conscientious customers. Metalworking and fabrication encompass a diverse range of small business opportunities, from crafting custom metal artwork that decorates homes and businesses to providing welding and fabrication services essential in the construction and manufacturing industries. Entrepreneurs in this field can also specialize in creating custom metal pieces, such as decorative sculptures or architectural components, catering to the growing demand for unique, personalized products. Thank you for watching our video on 20 small business manufacturing ideas. We hope you found the information insightful and useful. If you enjoyed the content, we would appreciate your support by leaving a comment, giving the video a like, and subscribing to the New Africa Wealth channel. Stay tuned for more engaging and informative videos in the future.